We have understood what is a variable and identifier. Now we are going to, see guys, something called as, guys, swapping of, numbers. So how can I, swap a number in Python? Okay. Let me just, open this one. So guys, swapping of number, what we need to, let's suppose I print x comma y. So the value of, x is 1 and y is 2. If we want to, swap the values, if in other languages we have to create a temporary variable and do all those things. So that is not, here. Here we can directly, assign the values. Let's suppose, y value we want to, assign into x. Okay. And let's suppose, x value we want to, assign into y. So we can write like this, So this is what is telling is that, and this tells me, we are assigning the value of x to y and we are assigning the value of y to x. And now if I print the value of, x and y, so it should be, swapped. So that is what is the beauty of this, language. So it could, directly, we can, swap and no need a third variable and then, putting it and then taking it. That is what is the difference, guys. Am I clear, guys? What happened here? X value got assigned to y. Y value got assigned to x. The value of x was 1 and the y value of y was 2. Now the value of x is assigned to y. So now the value of, x, which was initially 1, will be the value of y, which is 1. And the value of y, which was initially 2, will be now the value of x, which was initially 1. So the output is 2 comma 1. Any doubt, guys, here?
No, sir.
Yes or no, guys? Are you understanding how to swap the numbers? Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
No. Yeah, now, guys, let us just, proceed from there. Let's suppose we want to delete a variable, guys, and then we can have a, a keyword called as, if I want to comment it, control, front slash. Yes or no, guys? Yesterday I told you. And if I want to delete a variable, I'll use a keyword called as del. This shows that we are going to delete a variable. We can write the name of the variable. Let's suppose the name of the variable is A. So A will be deleted and we'll get an, guys, an error that A variable does not, is not, defined because we are deleting a variable whose name is A. So the keyword to delete the variable is nothing but del. Yes or no, guys? Any doubt here? Are you clear? Yes or no?
Yes, sir. Clear.
So now, guys, this is how we delete the variables.
For
There are
commenting, it is backslash or pen slash.
front slash, this is the slash, okay? This is the, have you seen this one near the shift? Yes or no? Front slash. Yes.
Yeah.
So this is this, you have to, use this, keywords together. Control plus this front slash, and then it will be, commented. Single line, you can just put hash. But if you want multiple lines, let's suppose I want to, comment all these lines. So what I have to do? First, I will, select these codes. Then I will click on, control, and then I will click on what, guys? Front slash. This will be, this will be, commented. Yes or no, guys? Any doubt in
Uncomment are the
comment?
same.
Huh?
Even uncommenting is also the
Yeah,
same
yeah,
thing.
yeah, same. You just select this, okay? Control and front slash. This is uncommenting. Control and slash. This is commenting. Uncommenting, commenting. Uncommenting, commenting. Yes or no, guys? Are you guys clear till this much? What do you think? Yes or no, Prashant, Satish? Yes
Yes,
or no?
sir.
Yes, very good. Now, guys, let us just, learn something called as operators. So every language has some operators like arithmetic, relational operator, logical operator. Arithmetic operator, we will do arithmetic operations like addition, subtraction, deletion, multiplication. And then, guys, these are the operators we will, use. So let us just try to, guys, see the, which are the arithmetic operators in, Python. And let us just try to, understand this. So to understand this, guys, we have taken, two values, okay? So one is, A value and one is, guys, B value. And we are trying to do the arithmetic operators. Some of the operators are easy. You would be, knowing. some of the operators we will, learn. Let me first, uncomment it. So A plus B, this is a simple operator, which will do 5 plus 2, 7. This is A minus B. This also we know this will, minus this 5 with 2, which will be 3. A into B, again, is a simple operator, 10. A divided by 5, A divided by B, that means 2 divided by 5. That is nothing but the 2.5. A modular division, let us just, guys, study from here. What do you think? What is A modular division B? What is this, this particular operator, which is, something different?
Coefficient.
Hmm?
Yeah, coefficient.
This will give what, guys? The remainder. Yes or no? This is called modular division. This is called what? Modular division. So what happens in modular division? We'll get the remainder. Have you heard about remainder? Yes or no? Modular division. Let's suppose I divide, on 2 by 5. So what will happen, guys? 2 2s are
1.
4. Yes or no? And what is the remainder, guys? 5 minus 4 is 1. So what will be the output here for line number 21? The output will be 1. Do you guys agree with me? Any doubt here? This will give the remainder, modular division. What do you think, Prashant? Nagarjuna? Yes or no, Kirti? So no.
Yes, sir.
So let's suppose it was, V value would be 4. Let's suppose A is 2 and B is 4. So what will be the output? Can you tell me? Modular division?
0.
0. Yes or no, guys?
Zero,
There is
sir.
the remainder is 0. The square, guys, 2 square 5, So A value will be squared to, 5. Yes or no, guys? This is square root of, a squared of this, Yes or no, guys? This is called a square. This is the square root, guys, So if I want to, square the A value to the B value, let's suppose the A value is, 5 and B value is, 2. So 5 square is what, guys? What do you think? What is 5, square? What is 5 square? 5 into 5 is what, guys? Is it 25? Yes or no, guys? Do you guys agree with me? This line number 22 will give this output. Any doubt here? A square B, A value is 5. 5 square. That is 5 into 5, which the value is 25. Any doubt, guys? Are you clear with the square? Yes or no? What do you think, guys? Yes or no?
So if
Prashant,
it is A,
tell me.
so if it is A 2 stars A, then it will be 2 square.
2 square 5, right? 2 will be multiplied 5 times. 2 into 4, 2 is 4. 4 into, 2 is, again 8. 2, 8 into 2 is 16. 16 into 2 is 32. So like that, the output will come.
Yeah.
Next is, guys, this is called floor division, divide and then get the floor value. Have you heard about floor value in SQL? Floor, what is floor, guys? Lesser part, lesser part. Floor and seal, there's two things. Seal is ceiling fan, if you remember, in SQL, I remember like this only. This is the upper value, but here this is a floor. Floor is in our legs, there is floor, so lesser value. So let's suppose I divide this 2 by 5. So the output we get is, 2.5, 2 2s are 4 and 1.0. And then what will happen, guys? 2.5. So the floor value is the lesser side of the decimal value. So 2.5 lesser value is nothing but what, guys? 2. Do you guys agree with me? Yes, so lesser value of 2.5 is 2. This is called floor division. Any doubt in floor division? This is not rounding. After decimal, the lesser side of the value we have to get. That is called, guys, floor division. Are you clear, guys, till this much? Any doubt?
So what difference between rounding and this one?
Rounding is let's suppose I round here 2.4. So it will be 2, but let's suppose I round 2.6. So the rounding will be what? 3. Yes or no? But float is not
Okay.
like that. Float is no any decimal value will be removed. Let's suppose 2.6. I want to do the float division. The output will be 2. Are you able to understand? It just removes the decimal value and the lesser side value it takes. It will never take even 2.9 is there. It will not be 3. It will be what, guys? 2. That is the float division. But rounding of 2.9 will be 3. Tell me, guys, any doubt now? Are you clear? Let us just verify our output, guys. This is addition, subtraction, multiplication, division. Now, guys, this is the a modular division where we are getting the output as 1. This is square of 5 square, which is 25. This is floor division, and we are getting the output as 2. Any doubt, guys? Anyone? Are you guys clear? Yes or no? What will be the output? Let's suppose I put the A as 2 and B as 5. So what will be the output of this square one? What do you think? Is it 32? I told you, right? 2 will be multiplied how many times? 5 times. 2 into 2 into 2 into 2. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Yes or no, guys? 2 2s are 4, 4 2s are 8, 8 2s are 16, 16 2s are 32. Am I clear, guys? Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
These are, guys, arithmetic operators, which is written in your material also. So I have, explained you. You can go and, see this, arithmetic operators. What about the installation of Git and GitHub? I told you, yesterday to install Git and GitHub. Are you doing that? Have you done it? I told you, to install this, GitHub. So now, guys, anyone is having, uh, laptop which they can, represent so that we can create a Git account. Is there anyone who can, share your account? Who can share your laptop? Is there anyone in that position? What about, Prashant, Kirti, Chaitanya, Nagarjuna, anyone, who can share your screen? Satish, anyone, guys? Yes or no? No one is in front of laptop. Prashant, can you share your screen? What do you think?
Yes, sir.
Please, share your screen. Okay. Let us just, Let's please join by, laptop. Many, things we will do in the class only. So, we don't have to, wait for doing all those things. So just open your guys, yeah, browser. Okay. And you just, open your browser.
Okay.
Okay. And just, open Google and just write, GitHub, GitHub login or GitHub login. Just write down. That's okay. Just click on enter. Sign in to GitHub. Can you click on the first link? Yeah, so you can create an account if you don't have. If you have, then no need to
And
create.
can you continue with Google, right?
Yes,
You
yes,
can.
you continue with Google. That's okay.
You can give any username.
Any name you can give. Okay, this is fine. Click on create account.
What we should do here?
This is, something, should check, you are not, just click on that, right arrow. Mm, just, check, what is this, arrow is there. Can you just click on restart? What is this puzzle? Yeah, click on restart. Yeah, verify puzzle. Yeah, visual puzzle. Yeah, click on that.
Comes the same.
What is this puzzle? We have to, just see. Okay.
Use
So
arrows to help the character to throw the ring on
use
the.
the arrow to help the character to throw the ring on the desired image. Okay. So use the arrow. okay, just click on those arrows, yeah, click on that arrow. Click on that arrow. Yeah, it's looking, fine. Click on this submit button. Let us just see what happens. You can manually continue if you know director automatic. Yeah. So is it done? Yes or no?
Yeah.
This is your, GitHub account. If you want, you can create a repository or import a repository. So go to your, PyCharm.
Right, sir.
Yeah, this I will, show in my screen. Okay. You have created the account. That's more than enough. Okay. Let me just share my
Okay.
screen. So guys, in front of all of you on this Git account was created. Now tell me how much time it has taken. 10 seconds, guys. Okay. So you need to take out your 10 seconds. Okay. You cannot, you're not, that much also busy if you want to, learn anything. So once you have, guys, this is your, Python, PyCharm, where I want to, share my things on the, GitHub account. Just click on this, guys, something called as, share project on. And then you have to click on, guys, this option called as GitHub. So what happens, this project, gets, pushed into GitHub. Okay. So the name of the project is, Feb batch 20th Feb. Click on this, guys, share button. So once you click on this share button, it will tell, add the files for initial commit. So just, click on this add. Okay. So now what will happen is that this, all the codes, what I am writing here will be pushed to what, guys? GitHub. Yes or no? Yes. Now what will happen if everything is pushed to GitHub? So I can go here and I can, search here, my folder. What is that? 20th Feb. So I can go here and I can see, guys, my folder. This is the file folder. In that, whatever codes I have written is pushed, guys, from our local system to GitHub. So if I
This
give you
PyCharm is
the,
already linked with your GitHub, like,
no, here,
so it directly shows your project.
here, I showed you, right? Share on, GitHub, that option came. For
Okay.
you, okay, so I don't know for you that, option is coming or not. You open the PyCharm. Is it coming? Share your screen. I want to, share your screen. If you have PyCharm opened, okay, then, share your screen.
I have not opened up this.
Okay, just first, open and then, you share, okay, because, we have, time, limited time, okay. First you
Okay.
open PyCharm, then let me know. As of now, let me just, continue. Next is, guys, there's something called as relational operator. So relational operator means what? There should be a, relation between the two operators. Can be greater than. It can be what, guys? Greater than, equal to. It can be less than. Can be less than, equal to. It can be, guys, not equal to. Can be, guys, and not equal to is like this. And then if we are comparing two operators, we have to use this, guys, comparison operator. This is not equal operator. This is,
This
guys,
can between
comparison operator.
boolean.
Yes. This comparison, if I have to check A is equal to B or not, then this is called as, guys, comparison operator. So this is the difference between, guys, equal operator and comparison operator. Let's suppose, guys, here the values are A is 5, B is, 10, and I want to use, few, operators. Let's suppose, arithmetic operators, yeah, comparison operators, relational operators, basically. You come here, guys, you see, A is greater than B. What is the output? Is A greater than B? Yes or no, guys? True or false? What do you think? Is A greater than B, guys? Can someone give me the answer?
No,
Kirti?
false.
Yeah, false. And is A equal to B? What is the
False.
output? False. Yes or no, guys? Guys, at least reply yes or no, no. So both are false, guys. Yes or no? Let's suppose this is 15. Then what will be the output? Is A greater than, B? What is the output? Prashant, what is the output?
First one true, second
And
one
next,
false.
false. Yes or no, guys? Yes. So this is, guys, relational operator. There's a relation between, two operators. It can be greater than, it can be greater than equal to, it can be comparatively, compare operator, comparison operator, less than, not equal to. So that is called as, guys, what? Relational operators. Logical operators, guys, and, or, and not. These are, guys, there's some logic associated with, between A and B. That is called as what, guys? Logical operators. So let me just, tell you about this logical operator. So let's suppose A is true and B is false. So A and B means what, guys? Both are, true. Then the output should be true. That means A is also true and B is also true. Then it should be true. Is it that case, guys? Yes or no? A and B both are true. Yes or no, guys? Tell me.
Yes,
Is that
sir.
both? Is that both true?
No.
No, sir.
So what will be the output?
False.
Yes or no, Kirti? Are you understanding? What is this one, Kirti? A or B means what? What do you think? What is A or
Either
B?
A is true or B is true.
Yes, then it will be true. So what is this
True.
case? A is true, B is false. So what will be the output?
A.
Now the output will be true, right?
Right.
True or false. Any of them is true. So the output
True.
is true. Not a reciprocal or just opposite of A. What is A now? It is true.
False.
A is true, so the output will be false. Do you guys agree with me? False, true, false will be the output. So let us just, guys, execute this. So we are getting false, true, false. This is, guys, the logical operator and or not. Any doubt? Are you clear with till this much? Yes or no? Clear, Kirti? Yes or no? Chaitanya? Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
Then you can, ask any, doubts in between if you have, because we are going to start a fresh topic called as a range operator. So this is, guys, start is an optional field, the starting number of the sequence, which is inclusive. Default to 0 if not specified. Stop is required. The number at which sequence, stop, which is again exclusive. We will not, take it into our account, this particular stop range. Step, the difference between each number, the default is 1. So there are 3 parameters here. One is start, one is stop, and one is, step. This is stop one we have to give, guys. If we don't give, then it will not, range function will not, work. Start is an optional field. Step is an optional field. The default step size is 1. Start is inclusive. Stop is exclusive. Exclusive means we will not, take that particular value. So that is what, guys, start, stop, and, step. Let us just try to, understand. For understanding this, we
Can
have
you
to,
repeat it?
yeah, tell me. Yeah,
Can
I,
you
I
repeat
will,
it? It's so
yeah.
confused.
Yeah, I will show with an, example, okay? So that it becomes more clear, okay? So there are 3 things here. What are that? Start. Tell me, guys. Start, stop, and step. Yes or no, guys? So which is inclusive and which is exclusive? Tell me which we will take, which we will not take. This is inclusive. I'm writing by I. This is exclusive. This value will not take. Yes or no, guys? Stop by default is 1. Yes or no, guys? Are you clear till this much? Any doubt here? Any doubt, guys? Yes or no? Now, this is a for loop for the range 10. Only this value 10 is written means what? This is a for loop, guys. I will again tell you for loop. As of now, we want, iterative values. We use for loop and we are, printing it. Again, I will teach you. As of now, this is just, printing the range of values. Now, range 10. So what is the start? What is the stop? What is the step? So this is what is the, we have to, think. The range is written, guys, 10. So tell me, guys, if nothing is mentioned, we have to mention something called as stop. I told you something is called as what? Stop. One value is also mentioned. That means this is the stop value, last value. So the initial start value is not mentioned. We have this stop value, guys. We will not, include this stop value. This 10 value will not, include it. Let's suppose I start from
Only one
0.
value will consider it as a stop.
Stop minus 1, 10 minus 1. Stop value will be what? N minus 1, 10 minus 1. So what is the stop value? 9.
Mm.
And let's suppose I start from 0. Then it will go what? 1. The step is by default 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8 and 9. Do you guys agree now? What is the start value, Initial value, let's suppose 0. And it's going from what? To the last value, but last value is not included. So 10 value is not included. So I told 10 minus 1 value will be taken last, second last value, which is 9. So it started from 0, went to 9. By default, the step is also not mentioned. So it will take a consider it as 1. Let us just, see the output so that we get, some understanding. 0 to 9. Yes or no, guys? Now you are getting some understanding. What do you think? What do you think, Prashant? Now you're getting some understanding. Kirti, Chaitanya,
So when only single value is given, like that is an indication of the stop. So
stop.
by default, we'll assume that the start will start from 0 and the step will be 1.
Stop step will be 1. Yes. These are default values. Step is 1 and start is 0. These are default value. Tell me. Tell
Okay.
me any more doubts. Tell me. Let's suppose I give a value here, 1 comma 10. So what do you think? What will be the output?
It will
I
be the
guess
same.
1 to 9.
Yeah, so the
0 will be
starting value.
not there.
Start and the stop positions are there, right? So 1 to 9.
1 to 9 start value is 1 and it will go till, n minus 1. That is, 10 minus 1. So 9. 1 to 9.
Yeah.
Let's suppose I give here, 2. Then what do you think? What will be the output?
I guess it will take two number increments, like 1 to 9. It means like
No, first,
1
no, don't tell me like that. First, tell me what is the start value. Okay, what is the start value?
Start
start
will
value
be
is
1.
1.
1. Okay, let us just
The
take the
second
start
value will
value.
be 3.
Stop value, stop value. First, tell me
10.
stop value.
Stop value is 10.
Stop value is 9.
10. 10, but we'll take it till 9. Yes or no? Yes.
Yeah.
Next. What is the step?
2.
Step 2, 2. So let us just, start our, range. First value is 1. Then what is the next
3,
value? What? 3. Then
5.
5,
5. Then
7.
then
9.
9.
yes or no, guys? Do you guys, agree? Everyone agree? What about
Yes, sir.
Kirti? Do you agree? This value will be the output of this particular 110 2 will be 13579. What do you think, Kirti? What is your understanding? Is it clear?
Yes.
13579. Yes or no, guys? Are we getting the same output? So always, whenever you take a range of value, try to, see the start value, stop value, and the step, and then take a decision. Yes or no, guys? So this is, guys, the range operator. Okay. So we'll use this, later when I will, teach you for loop. As of now, there's something called as token in, Python. So what is token, guys? Token is the smallest code that has, meaningful functionality. This is having some, meaningful functionality. Like suppose what is a keyword? Identifier we have already, studied. Is a name given to any function, class, variable. Keyword will have some, reserved words, which we will see. And then we'll see literal, and then we'll see, you have already seen operators, guys. Operators we have already, seen arithmetic, relational, logical operators. So let us come one by, guys, keywords. So keywords are reserved word. So these are, guys, reserved word which has some, predefined meaning. Let's suppose false. Let's suppose await. Let's suppose else, if, for, range. So this is what, guys, keywords. Its name is only keywords which will have some, predefined meaning, and that cannot be, used as an identifier. That means this cannot be used as a variable name, function name, class name, method name. These keywords are essential part of Python syntax and are case sensitive. So these are, guys, case sensitive and essential part of Python. So this is called, guys, some reserve word which is already having some meaning. Let's suppose false, none, true, and, as, assert, async, await, break, class, continue. So all these, whatever keywords are there in Python, we can, see from, keyword list that is called as KW list. So the KW list will tell guys, which are the keywords present in the Python. Let us just, see which are the keywords present. For that, we have imported this keyword module, and then from keyword.kw list, keyword list, you can get all the keywords which are present in, Python. So these are the keywords which are present in Python. Say false, none, true, and as assert, async, await, break, class, continue, def, del, else if. Or there's, this all these keywords, guys, is, present in your, in Python, which we can, use anytime. Let me just, write down this code keywords. So these are, guys, the keywords. So all the keywords are, you can, put it in a notepad, or you can, you can use from there also. So these are, guys, the keywords present in Python. So these are, guys, this can be, easily, taken out using keyword.kw list, and we can see whichever the keywords are present in Python, which has some, predefined meaning. So it cannot be used as a class name, module name, or all those things. So identifiers we have already, studied is the name given to a variable or function. An identifier can contain again A to Z, capital A to Z, 0 to 9, and underscore. Identifiers are case sensitive, and first letter cannot be a digit like the variable. So while Python doesn't enforce any naming convention, what does this mean, guys? I have, explained this, before also. What does this sentence mean? Python does
It's
not
just a
enforce.
practice.
Yeah, it's just a practice, you cannot, enforce that, this should be snake case, this should be camel case. No, it's just a practice that Python, tells that the naming convention of the variable name use lowercase letter and underscores for variable name. Now, again, don't tell, sir, I have used uppercase and it is working. It will work only. It's a general practice, most of the developer will follow this. So I will, suggest you to follow the, the code which is, used by everyone, and mostly, use. You see, we have to wear the pant, we have to wear, in our legs. If someone, wears in the head, that is also okay. But the general, convention is that we should wear in the, legs. So that is what is the thing. But that is also not wrong. If someone, uses a variable name with uppercase, that is also completely fine, or underscore, that is also completely fine. But this is, just a naming convention for variable name. Use lowercase letter and underscore for variable name. As I have told, you use, underscores, and then, in between the letters and lowercase letter. Snake case, all words are written lowercase separated by underscore. Function name, use lowercase letter and underscore. This is the, function name. This is, guys, a convention. Generally we use, lowercase letter and then separated by underscore. Class name, first letter should be capital. So that is called as Pascal case or camel case. The first letter of a word should be capital. That is the naming convention of a class. But constant values use all uppercase letter with underscore. So we have to use all uppercase letter and with an underscore. That is how we represent a constant. This is how we represent a class name. This is how we represent a function name, lowercase letter and underscore, variable name, lowercase letter and underscore, class name, capital with each word. Every word, first letter should be capital. Constant, all by all uppercase letters with underscore. So this is, guys, the naming conventions. I guess, you are, clear. Yes or no, guys, with the naming convention? Any doubt? What do you think, Kirti? Are you clear with the naming conventions of variable, function, class, and constant?
Yes.
Next is, guys, literal. So in Python, a literal is a fixed value written directly in the code that represents the data. If the raw data you assign to a variable or use in an expression such as number, string, or special value like true or value, true or none. So these are, guys, literal are nothing but a fixed value. So let's suppose, name equals to Alice. So Alice is a string literal. So if these values will not, change, these are, guys, something, constant value. If I write age equals to 30, the 30 is an integer literal. Its value will not, change. So if the value is not changing, it's a fixed value that is called as, guys, literals. So now guys, is active equals to true. True is a Boolean literal. So that's why I've written in Python, a literal is a fixed value written directly in the code that represents the data. Is the raw data you assign to a variable or use in an expression such as number, string, or special value like true or false. So it can be string literal, it can be an integer literal, it can be a Boolean literal. So literals are the constant values what we are using in Python. So these are guys, keywords. I guess, clear with the keywords. So I taught you guys, four types of keywords, four types of tokens. One is guys, keyword, which is having, special meaning like if, else, and loop and for, which cannot be used as a, method name or a class name. Then I taught you, identifiers, the name given to a class or a function or a method or a variable, that is nothing but the identifiers. In that, some naming conventions we talked, for variable name, it will be small letters, that means lowercase separated by underscore. For method name, again, small letters, lowercase and underscore. For class name, every letter should be capital. And then guys, for constant, everything should be capital letter separated by, underscore. Then I taught you guys, literal, which is, which is a constant value given to a particular variable. It can be string literal, number, integer literal, or a Boolean literal. Then I taught you guys, operators, arithmetic, relational, logical, all those kind of, you know, operators we have, already, discussed, you know, relational operators we, discussed greater than, less than, logical operator we discussed and or not, arithmetic operator, I showed you floor division, modular division, and then, addition, subtraction, multiplication. So all those things we have seen in guys, operators. Now let us take a fresh topic, guys, called as slicing. This is a important, question and generally, asked in interviews. So slicing is a Python technique to extract a portion or subset of a sequence, such as string, list, or tuple, or other sequence type. So there is something called as guys a list and tuple, which we'll see later. As of now, these are some collection of values. So now, if I want to extract a portion or subset of this sequence, we'll go with the slicing. So how can we, extract a particular portion of a, particular string or a particular portion of a particular, list, that means the collected value or a tuple and all those things. So how can we, do that? That is what we are going to learn in slicing, guys. So again, for slicing is somewhat, looks like range operator, but it's not range operator. This is used to extract the value. Range is just, finding the, traversing the particular piece of value. This is what we have to, extract a subset from a particular set of values which is given. So see here, guys, there's something called a start, stop, and step, same like, range operator. Include the characters from start index, same like, range operator. Exclude the character at the end index. So stop, you have to exclude the character at the end index. But if you don't specify the last, index, it will be, included. This is, an important point. Exclude means, guys, the character at the, end index, which should be excluded. But let's suppose, I have written only the start and we have not specified the, stop, and we have given the step at that time, it can, include the, last step. So this we will, see with an example also. So start the index at which slicing begins, stop the index at which slicing ends. This is inclusive, this is exclusive. Step the interval or step size between, each element. All the three parameters are optional. You can use start or stop, or or you can use, you can take your guys, start or stop or the, step. Okay, any of the thing you can, take as a part of, slicing. So this is what is the guys, just give me guys 1 second. Just give me 1 second. Yeah, so this is guys, start, stop, and, step. So start means, we have to, include this value. Stop means we have to exclude the value. Step is the interval or size between, each element. All the three parameters are optional. Negative indices can use to count from the end of the sequence. We'll see, guys, if there's any negative indexing, we'll count from the end of the sequence. If parameters are, omitted, so this is very important. What if the parameters are omitted, if not written? Start set to, 0. First is start will set to 0. Stop default to the length of the sequence. Stop will, default to the length of the sequence, and a step will be, guys, 1. So this is in case, the parameters are, omitted. Negative index can be used to count from the end of the sequence. This will see, how we can, count from the end of the sequence. And these are the points, guys, inclusive, exclusive, and this step. Did you got some understanding, guys, what we are going to do in slicing? So what is slicing? Slicing is what, guys, a technique to extract what? A portion of subset. Yes or no, guys? Do you guys agree with me? From a sequence. Yes or no? And such as, string, list, or tuple. So this sequence will have three, parameters: start, stop, and step. Start is inclusive and stop is exclusive. And then, guys, step is the interval or step size between, each element. So all these three parameters are optional. Negative indices, what we can do if there's negative, index value, then we can count from the end of the sequence. And if parameters are omitted, we'll set it to default. Start will be 0, stop defaults to length of sequence, and step value is 1. So let us just, guys, try to, analyze one or two, then we can, get some clarity. So now, this is the part, guys, where, you need to be very, very active, because this is not that much, easy topic. This is somewhat, we have to think. Let's suppose, guys, this is, text, hello world. In between, there is some spaces, okay? And we have to extract, guys, 0 to 5, okay? So let us just, try to, see. So what is the index value of this h? Can someone tell me? What is the index value of this h? 0. What is the index value of this e? It is, guys, what?
1.
1.
This L value is, 2.
Mhm.
This L value is again, 3. This O value is 4. This comma value is 5. The space value is, space will be also, counted as a character 6. This W will be 7. O will be 8. R will be 9. L will be 10. And D will be what, guys? 11. And exclamatory sign will be what, guys? I think it will be 12. Do you guys agree with me? Yes or no? These are the values.
Yes, sir.
Now we have to extract
Yes.
from 0 to 5. So what do you think? What is the value of 0 here?
H.
H. And we have to go to, guys, 0 to 5. So do we need to include this 5, this comma? Yes or no?
I guess yes, sir.
No. If we specify the end value, we do not need to include it. The stop value is excluded. There are three parameters here. Let us just analyze, guys. What are that? Start, stop, and step. Do you guys agree with me? There are three
Yes.
parameters. Now, what is the start value? Tell me, what is the start value? Is it,
0.
guys, 0? That is nothing but, h. Can I tell directly, the 0 value is nothing but the h. Stop value is what, guys? Fifth value, which is comma, but we cannot include the comma. So what is the last value? It will be what? What do you think?
4.
So what is the 4 value? What is the value at 4?
O.
Oh, yes or no? So it will, extract from H to O. Yes or no, guys? The step is by default, 1. It's not mentioned. So HEELO. So the output will be HELLO. Hello. Do you guys, accept this with me that the output should be hello? What do you think? See the code. Do you accept, Kirti? What do you
Yes.
think? Yes or no? Chaitanya, Nagarjuna, yes or no? Prashant, what do you think,
Yes.
guys? So do you agree with me? The output is hello. Why the output is hello? Can you explain, Chaitanya once, why it is hello?
So as per the range, if you see there is three parameters called start, stop, and step. So start
Okay.
will start with the letter, means the starting letter, whether it is irrespective of variables or numericals, anything. So here it is like H. So which is like inclusive. Inclusive means it will start with whatever it is. So H, and stop is like exclude. Exclude means we won't count it if we until unless it is specified. So coming to the step means, so by default it will take one if we didn't specify means.
Mm.
So as per that, so we will calculate means like hello is the output we will get.
So the last, letter is what? What is the stop?
Uh,
Five is what?
the comma is the five, but here means as per the theory, like a stop means comma will come, means which is like a fifth letter, so it's already excluded, so that's why we won't count it, and so the output will come like hello.
Yeah, so we will extract from H to O. Yes or no? Overall, we will extract from H to O. Do you guys agree with me? Yes or no? We'll extract from H to O. Do you guys agree with me? H to O. So the output is, guys, hello. What do you think, guys, now? Let me just, execute it. What do you think, guys? Do you guys agree with me? What do you think? Everyone? The output will be hello?
You
Yes or
said
no?
one more point, like if we don't specify the last index, it will be included. So how does it look?
Yeah, so if you don't specify, you can, if but here we have specified, right? Let's suppose, we'll take that example also. Let's suppose I don't, specify the last thing, okay? I'm just, writing like this, okay? This is your starting is, 0 and colon and colon. So what will be the output of this one? What do you think? The starting value I have written as, 0. Ending I have not given anything, and the last value also I have not given. This is, final, output what I'm, writing. Let me just, show you in a notepad. I've written so many things here. Are you able to see? This is what I'm trying to, extract the value. If you are able to, see 0 and then colon and then again colon. That means I'm not specifying this starting ending position and this step. So this time what will be the output? What do you think? This time it will go till the last letter. Yes or no, guys? Till this exclamatory sign. Let us just see this so that we can understand. This time it is not excluding this exclamatory sign. Yes or no, guys? It's taking exclamatory sign. Why it is taking exclamatory sign? Can someone tell me why it is taking the exclamatory sign? Because this time we are not specifying the last position. Yes or no, guys? So if you are not specifying the last position, then what will happen? We'll start from the we have specified the beginning position. So start from this H and it will go till the last. Even the last character is taken. This exclamatory sign is not removed. In case we have not specified the stop. If we specify the stop, then the last character will be stop -1. But here we are not specifying the last character, we are not specifying the step. But then what will happen if you don't specify the last character, then it is including or not? Tell me, guys, yes or no? Any doubt here now? What do you think, Prashant? Nagarjuna, yes or no?
Yes.
Yes.
Yes or no, guys? Are you getting some clarity how the slicing is done? Yes or no? So this is how, guys, slicing will be done. So let me just, see what have you understood. So let me just, take this, guys, as on, let us just take in an Excel, guys, it's very difficult to, every time write here. So have, prepared an Excel, okay? So that you can just, give me the outputs. Okay. Where is that Excel? Let me just, open an Excel to, so that, every time I don't have to, search for the characters, okay? This is, guys, hello. This is the comma, this is the space, this is the world. So for positive indexing, it's going from 0 to 12. Negative indexing -1, -2, -3, -4, -5, and like that, -13. So now my question is this one, okay? Let us just go, guys, one by one. Text, :5. So what do you think, guys, what will be the start, what will be the stop, and what will be the, step, and what will be the final output? So three things you have to, always tell me as an output we need to, analyze. what is the first thing that we have to, analyze is, what is the start? Okay, let us just write here, guys, this is start. Then we have to think about the guys what? Stop. Then we have to think about guys what? Step. Do you guys agree with me? So now it's your turn, guys, to tell me what is the start. Can you tell me what is the start here?
Smith, it starts from 0.
Yeah, default value start is, can we tell it as default value, which is 0? Then what is the stop?
0.
Stop is what, guys?
It's a 5.
Wow.
5. So 5 is what character, can you tell me?
It's wo character. Maybe it will display till L.
5 is which character? It is, comma, right?
Yeah,
So comma,
yeah,
so,
comma is the fifth character, right?
so it will not be included, yes or no? So it will go
Yes.
till, this O, yes or no? So
Yeah.
what will happen from H? It will, select this, O. What do you think? Yes or no? So the output will be what? The last character will be what? Comma, but it will not be included. So included is what? O. Step by default is, 1. So what is the final character which is extracted? Can someone tell me? HELLO. Do
Hello.
you guys agree? Do you guys agree with me? Yes or yes or no, guys? So
Yes.
let us just, execute this to see, our understanding is correct, or, we are missing something. Okay, this is already there. Okay. Oh, I have not executed this. Did we got, guys? Hello. What do you think? Is our, are you getting some clarity how we are doing indexing, guys? Yes or no?
Yes.
So now, who will tell, let us just try this one, let, just guys, you have to, then let me just, paste this, and you have to tell me the start, and the stop, and then guys, the step and the final output. So let us just give a try for this one. So what is, guys, our start thing? Can someone tell me?
7W.
7. So what is the, let me just, write down 7 here, okay, for, but I want the word, what is the value at 7? So it is
W.
W. This is excellent. Now what will happen, guys? What is the stop?
It's
Stop will
2
be till the end. It will
till
be
end. It's 1.
exclamation mark.
So what will this exclamatory sign? Can I tell it like this? Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
This is, guys, sorry, this is, guys, the step, stop. Now what is the step, guys?
What
What is the step?
Step,
The step.
it will take as 1
One
default.
default.
1.
1 by default it is 1,
Yeah.
yes or no, guys? So
Yes.
what is the final word which will come as a, output? Can I tell
World.
you?
word with
World
exclamation?
with exclamatory symbol.
World with exclamatory symbol. Yes or
Symbol.
no, guys? Can we,
Yes.
think like that? Let me just,
Yes.
execute this one. Do you guys agree with me? Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
Are you getting some clarity, guys, how slicing is done? Yes or no? Yes.
Yes.
So there is something, guys, and this is called, guys, basic slicing. Sometimes they ask, let's suppose this is the what is the output and all. There's something called as, guys, negative, indexing. Let us just, try to, focus on, negative, indexing, and then, we'll go again to the positive and negative combination. So let me just, take, guys, let's suppose I take, guys, -6. Okay. So let me just, go here, and let us just open our, Excel, and try to, see, what is our understanding of, -6. Okay. So what is our starting letter? What is our stopping letter? And what the word will be, extracted. So what do you think, guys? Here, can you tell me? What will be the starting letter for -6?
So it will be W.
It's W.
W. All of you, agree. This will be, W. Okay,
Yeah.
then let me just write down. What is the stop, guys?
H.
Top of 2.
0 position. H.
Stop is not given, guys. From -6, you are going, from -6, you are going, in a, where you are going, you'll go till the end. Do you guys agree with me? Yes or no? When we are not, specifying. Yes or no, guys? So it will be what? What do you think? For this, for this particular text, what will be the end position? From
Exclamation mark.
-6, exclamatory sign. Do you guys, accept this? This is, exclamatory sign. And a step is, guys, 1 only. So what will be the final, our, expectation?
Fold with exclamation mark.
word with exclamatory sign if our, understanding is, guys, correct. So let us just, execute this one and see, is our, understanding correct, guys? Yes or no? World with, exclamatory sign. Do you guys got, guys, some, clarity? Yes or no, guys? -6 and 7, both are giving same result. Yes or no, guys? -6 and, if I wrote only, 7 colon, and, so many people, go to this particular, total, index, which is nothing but 12. And then, from 0, if it is going, 1, and then 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12 is the, total index. So many people, try to, find out the value of this, 13. They, that means, they will take this and they will, extract it. So let's suppose the total, number of words is how many words are there, guys? 1, 2, let's suppose 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13 words are there. So 13 minus 7 is nothing but the, 6. So many, 13 minus, 6 is nothing but the 7. So many people go and, first convert it into positive indexing and then they do. So what they do is that first they try to find the length. So length is what, guys? 13. Do you guys agree with me? The length is 13. What do you think, guys? Is the length 13 or not? From here to here, is this length is 13 or not, guys? Yes or no? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13. Yes or no, guys? So length is, 13. And we are doing negative indexing. So 13 minus 6. So what will be the output? 13 minus 6. Can you tell me?
17, 7.
7, yes or no, guys? So this, so now it has converted into positive indexing, and they what they will do is that from 7, I have to go to the last character, and you will get the result. So this is also one technique, guys, to do the indexing. So I told you, both the technique. So let me stop the class, guys, here. We will again, practice, slicing other, difficult, slicings, and we will proceed from there. And we will, guys, meet on, Monday for the, for the next topic. The slicing will continue. And then after, slicing, we will do some interview questions. And then we will move to, guys, string and multiple, functions associated with string. There are a lot of, functions which are very, very important with the string. Once I complete, guys, a string, then I will go to, conditional statements. Let me just, first, complete this, string and input. And then once I convert, complete this, strings, then only, guys, we'll go to first, this, mutable and immutable data types. There's something called a list. Tuple is again very, very important for interview. List, tuple, string, and, dictionary. And after that only we can go to, guys, conditional statements and looping, and then we'll start our coding part. So we'll meet, guys, Monday with the slicing topic, and we'll proceed from there. Let me just,
Can you
stop.
Excel as well?
Yeah, this is already attached in your,